Hi all, this is Stormy with Flora's Garden. I want to do an update here. It's March 23rd and there's a lot going on. You see our lavender is blooming and a lot of stuff over here is growing, including a lot of volunteer weeds. My tulips have been blooming. It's quite beautiful. There's some new stuff. There's some peas growing here with radishes and lettuce mixed in. You see there's some of these planters down here. My geranium is blooming. Yes, pumpkin. The peas have started to grab onto and grow up these tomato cages. And here is the Huglekultur mound. A lot of it's been planted out. We put an insane amount of seeds in there. Oh, if I can think of some. Down over here are lettuces, a couple of different lettuce mixes. Up here, there's some nasturtiums all along the top. I put together the summer squashes. The winter squashes, I believe, are down here. Around this edge are some kale and radishes. There's something up here at the top, I don't remember what. There are bush beans up here along the front. There's some cucumbers down over here on that end. And I don't remember what else. So we'll be surprised. But I mean, we're talking a lot of seeds. Oh, I know what's over here. Watermelon and cantaloupe, two different kinds of each. The two apple trees here are doing really good. We need to cut the grass over here. I don't want to go too far, but where is it? There's this little stick growing out right here. It's actually a mulberry tree. Yeah, very nice. Right there, that's that fruit salad tree, 5-way grafted tree. 2 peaches, 2 plums, and a nectarine. There's an orange tree right there. The persimmon right there. In that blue barrel are the potatoes. There's the last of our compost soil mixture. Back where here along the fence are the garlic, and they're doing wonderful. You can see here we have started to build the bean pole trellis. We just got to put it one more long stick across the top and lash it all together. And you see down here we've transplanted out this batch of pole beans. Down the middle, just because there was some room, I went ahead and planted some beets that I had started in the greenhouse. All of the strawberry plants are doing pretty darn good. We haven't lost a single one. So I have 25 more to plant out, and we'll see how that goes. You see the kale. We've been eating green smoothies a lot lately. Flora has been requesting them in the morning. And these two have gone to flower, and you can see there's already a bee on there working hard. So I'm not ripping them out. I want the bees to come in for the flowers, and I want to save the seeds because I don't actually have any seeds for this kind of kale. I planted out some Chinese kale and red Russian kale. You can see the red Russian kale here and there. The oregano is already gone insane. I'm thinking about cutting it back and drying some out already. Got some lettuce. I think there's enough lettuce in the garden to already have a salad. There's some peas growing. I thought this was kind of beautiful. This is the flowers that Flora planted last year, and there's a couple of curry plants in there too, but it kind of looks like a heart. It was pretty. We extended the asparagus, and it comes all the way up to the heart. And there's already tons of shoots coming out of them. Those ones are a Jersey Giant, and they're supposed to be more likely to be male plants, I guess. So the spears are supposed to be better, I guess. You see all the weeds around here I need to get pulled out. Same thing in the greenhouse on the bottom. They seem to love it in here. There's not much in here today. There's peppers I potted up, marigolds. There are tomatoes that have been potted up. I just gave everything in here a fish emulsion rainwater dousing. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. And so it smells like the ocean in there, which is just lovely. I'm probably the only person that likes the smell of fish emulsion. I can't even... I don't have anything to compare the size to these artichokes, but they're just gigantic. Andy accidentally cut out the growing stem on the one on the right. So the small artichokes we had are no longer. So hopefully we'll get some off of this humongous plant later on. Oh yeah, look! There is a flower head in there. I didn't realize that until right now. Pretty exciting. The Swiss chard just grows more and more insane every day, and we eat it. We eat off this plant a good 4 or 5 times a week, if not more. In the morning with eggs, at night just sauteed with dinner. So this I thought was Brussels sprouts. I think it's just some kind of sprouting broccoli that I have. I have several different kinds of sprouting broccoli. Because it's not forming any like sprout heads. No, thank you, sweetheart. But you see they are doing these little, let's see, little florets. There's another red Russian kale. There's a couple more in here. The cabbage is exciting. Is starting to head up, and so that's nice. But yeah, that's all we got going on right now. Oh, actually, you look back there along the fence, the raspberry bush has gone insane. So I'm very hopeful there. But that's the update for today. We got a lot more going on. A lot more coming out, a lot more going that needs to get sowed. But yeah, thanks for checking up on us, and we will catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.